Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to simply bring to your attention the unique and amazing, magical, content-aware scale tool that's come out in the newer versions of Adobe Photoshop. Content-aware it's really great. The builders of Photoshop built content-aware, this thing into the program that can sort of guess the content of your images, and it can help you manipulate them that way. You can use them with your clone stamp, with your spot healing tools, and with your fills and all that sort of stuff. You can use content aware. What I'm going to show you in this tutorial is pretty much how cool the content aware scale tool is, and how it works, so that you can use it in your various images. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my layers, and I'm going to just unlock this background layer. I'll click OK, and I'm going to go ahead and just copy the background layer so that we have two, so I can show you the difference. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to Image, go down to Canvas Size, and I'm just going to increase the canvas size. The width, let's say 6 inches, and the height will increase about 10 inches or so. This is a pretty large image, so that's why I'm doing this. I'll just scale it down a little bit. And what I'll do is I'll just drag one up to the top and one down to the bottom, just so you can see the difference here. I'll just actually put those right next to each other, and we'll go ahead and make a selection here. And I'm going to go ahead and just crop these down so that we can just make the screen a little bit larger for you. Okay, so now that we have that done, what I'll go ahead and do is I'm going to take this the first image here, and I'm just going to scale it the way that we normally would have done. I'll go to Edit, to Transform, and to Scale. And I'll go ahead and just drag one side over, and one side over. And as you can see, it just stretched the crap out of this image. The planks on the dock look really long, and the pole looks really stretched. So that's with our regular transform scale tool, and that's how it used to work in the past. And now, in the future, right now, the content aware scale tool will predict the content of the image, and I'll just show you what happens. So you go to Edit, Content Aware Scale, or you can press Alt-Shift-Control-C on your keyboard, and we're going to just pull the same maneuver we did before. And go ahead and apply that. And I'll go ahead and just fill my screen here. As you can see, the one on the top, where I used the Content Aware Scale tool, kept the proportions of the different shapes a lot better. It looks a lot less stretched, and it still looks like a passable image, actually. So, I mean, you can see, just compare it to the bottom one, the difference. So you can use this in a lot of different images. It'll save you a lot of time, rather than trying to clone or that sort of thing to fill out a space, or that sort of whatever. So I hope this helped you. I hope you learned a lot from the video. Please subscribe to my blog, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks again.